Well, I did the repair. I replaced the ribbon cable. This was the old one. And the new one's already in it. And I made a terrible mistake. I put the LCD screen backwards. I didn't notice until I soldered everything back up. So needless to say, it doesn't work. Here's another display. It's a very, very slight difference, but sure enough, it's different. The top one is the one from your car. The bottom one is the one from my car. Notice that strip on the screen? Well, that marks the front. No strip on yours, that marks the back. So, all that work for nothing. I'm extremely disappointed. I might cry. Yeah. I'm gonna try and redo it if I can salvage that ribbon cable. If not, I'm just gonna have to order another one and redo the repair. In the meantime, you can have my my radio display for the time being. I'm sure it will work in your car. The only difference between the two, my car has DSP and yours does not. So we'll have to exchange them again at some point. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm gonna attempt to redo the job with the same cable, but it may not be. I think they're one-time use. So, there you go.